Hello friends. In today's video, we will discuss what is cryptocurrency and how you can buy. But before start the video, please subscribe our channel. Friends, the history of cryptocurrency is a fascinating journey that traces the development of digital currencies from their conceptual origins to the diverse and ever-expanding landscape we see today. You will not believe the concept of digital currency began to emerge in the 1980s and 1990s. Pioneers like David Chaum and his company DigiCash explored cryptographic techniques for secure online transactions. E-gold was the first cryptocurrency of the world, and it was launched by Douglas Jackson. Users could buy e-gold and make online transactions. However, it faced legal challenges and eventually shut down in 2009. Now the current version of cryptocurrency is NFT, also known as non-fungible tokens. It gained popularity for their use in digital art and collectibles. DeFi, a movement to create decentralized financial systems, also saw rapid growth. But it's important to note that the cryptocurrency space is dynamic, and new developments occur regularly, so staying updated is crucial for anyone involved or interested in this evolving industry. If we particularly talk about buying of cryptocurrency, it is a straightforward process, but it requires a few steps to ensure you do it securely and legally. Before buying any digital currency, you must start by selecting a reputable cryptocurrency exchange platform. Some well-known exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and Bitstamp. Research and compare exchanges to find the one that best suits your needs, considering factors like fees, available cryptocurrencies, and security. Then create your account, which require email address, a password, and you will also have to complete a verification process that may require identity documents. After creating and verifying your account, choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Most exchanges offer a wide range of options, including Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Litecoin, LTC, and many others. But you must stay informed about market trends, security best practices, and any regulatory changes that may affect your cryptocurrency holdings. Moreover, it's essential to be aware of the regulatory environment in your region, as laws regarding cryptocurrency vary from country to country. Additionally, exercise caution and do your due diligence to avoid scams and fraudulent platforms. Always start with a small amount when you're new to cryptocurrency trading to get a feel for the process.